Hi little kids, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to draw for you your favorite cartoon character, Shizuka. Do you like Doraemon cartoon? Yes, I know you all like Doraemon cartoon. And here I am drawing a Shizuka character. So let's follow me and try to draw with me. I complete to draw Shizuka. Now it's time to color it. I am using here watercolor to color this picture. Here I am using black color for Shizuka's hair. Now I am using light blue color for Shizuka's beautiful skirt. Here I am using light pink brush pen color to color hands, legs and face. Now I am using deep pink color for Shizuka's beautiful top. Wow, Shizuka is looking so cute and beautiful. Let's color her shoe with red color. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.